Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Sound Settings so you can change the Device Connect event directly. Right-click the speaker icon and choose Sounds, or press the Windows key, type Sounds, and press Enter. Once done, make sure you are on the Sounds tab and that system sounds are not muted. You need that access to preview changes. You do this now because the Sounds dialog maps events to audio files, and accessing it first saves time when you replace the Connect sound. Next, you locate the Device Connect event in the Program Events list so you can assign a new audio file. Click Device Connect, then browse to navigate to your replacement file. Windows requires WAV for system events, so convert if needed. Once you pick a file, click Test to preview how it sounds. If it's too loud or quiet, adjust your system volume or choose a different clip. Make sure you select Apply after testing so the change persists. Finally, you save the change by clicking Apply and OK so Windows uses the new sound immediately. If you don't hear anything, check that the file is valid. WAV that the correct playback device is set as default and that system sounds are enabled. As a quick test, unplug and replug a USB device to trigger the event. If it still fails, reboot or restore sounds defaults and try another. WAV. That troubleshooting step catches most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.